In the galaxy of sports memorabilia, a new supernova has exploded onto the scene. Fanatics, once a fledgling enterprise, has ascended the ranks to become a titan of the industry, turning the hobby on its head. In late 2021, Fanatics made a power play, acquiring the official licenses for MLB, NFL, and NBA cards, along with Topps and PWCC Marketplace. This was a game-changing move that signaled a new era for the hobby. Fanatics, led by CEO Michael Rubin, has a vision to grow the hobby exponentially, and they understand the pivotal role that local shops play in this grand plan. Rubin, Michael Mahan, the Fanatics Collectibles CEO, and the company's other leaders have been making surprise visits to hobby shops, engaging with owners and collectors, getting a pulse on what's working and what's not. The message is clear: Fanatics is here to listen, to learn, and to lead. In their quest to revolutionize the industry, Fanatics has been striving to establish direct Topps accounts for every hobby shop across the country. This move is designed to bypass distributors, allowing shops to get products straight from Fanatics, thereby boosting their sales margins. Scott Daniel, the director of hobby shops for Fanatics Collectibles, states that there are over 1,000 card shops in the United States, and about 2/3 of these shops now have direct accounts. The goal is to balance expansion with market saturation to protect the industry's value curve. Fanatics is also keen on fostering an engaging, interactive experience for collectors. They are developing cutting-edge tools and strategies to help shops meet consumers where they are. They understand that today's collectors want more than just a transaction. They seek a well-organized, energy-driven experience where they can find products easily, hang out, rip, and discuss the hobby. The advantages of brick-and-mortar hobby shops are manifold. While online options like eBay, Amazon, and direct purchases from Topps and Panini offer convenience, physical stores offer the immediacy of walking away with a product in real time and the community feel of interacting with other enthusiasts. In summary, Fanatics' acquisition of the official licenses for MLB, NFL, and NBA cards, along with Topps and PWCC Marketplace, has reshaped the landscape of the hobby. The company is committed to growing the hobby, acknowledging the importance of local shops, and enhancing the collector's experience. Fanatics is not just playing the game. Much like recently launched company CollectDirect, they are changing the game. Fanatics' stated goal is to increase the collectible card market 10x. Think about that for a minute, growing the hobby 10 times bigger than it currently is. Wow, if you think you have missed the sports card market, some would say it is just getting started. The future of the hobby has never looked brighter. If you enjoyed this Fanatics update, we hope you will subscribe to this channel and sign up for our free newsletter at cmgsportscardinvestments.com. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and much success on your sports card collecting and investing journey.